All right, guys, so once you've added in your collapsible block, um, we want to go back and we want to start working on your pricing page. So in the main site, we use the table to help organize information. Tables, again, don't display well on websites, so we're going to utilize another feature within jQuery. So I'm going to go back up here to pricing, select the word content, I'm going to delete that. Go back to Insert, jQuery Mobile, and I'm going to select a layout grid. This is where I can define sort of almost like a table, but it's different a little bit on how it's going to be handled. It should scale a little bit better. So I'm going to change this to 5 rows and 2 columns. Click on OK. I'm going to get predefined text in here. Okay, this is where we're going to go back in and add in like your column headings along with your actual text you want. So right now, I'm on page 497, step number 3, where it says block 1.1 at the very top up here. This is where we're going to go back and I'm going to delete my placeholder text. I'm going to type in the word session. I'm going to select this and bold it. Where it says block 1.2, I'm going to type in the word fee. I'm going to select it and I'm going to bold that. Now what you want to do is you want to continue this process in steps 3, 4, and 5 to replace this text within the jQuery grid that we just put on here. So when we're all said and done, we're going to have a table, but using this jQuery mobile content instead. You've added in all your content on the layout grid. In step number 5 on page 495 or 498, it should look like this. So you should have your portrait, family, children, newborn and maternity, along with the fees for each. That will replace your content for pricing. And now we're ready to go back in the next video to start adding buttons in the footers to get you back to the home page and also to have some buttons for the contact page.